Another storm warning.
Southeast New York, northeastern Suffolk, northern Nassau, northern Westchester, northwestern Suffolk, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, southeast. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Columbia County and east central New York, southeastern Rensselaer County and east central New York until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Nassau. Will exceed bank full. Rainfall totals are expected to range between 1 and 2 inches and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, Nassau, Adams, Lenox, Cheshire, Stephentown, New Lebanon, Beckett, Hancock, Savoy.
Thunderstorm watch just issued.
Peru and East Nassau. Repeating.
Here we go. Here we go. Wind now.
Storm watch number 516, Nassau and Suffolk, in the following marine time. This watch includes the following counties: Fairfield,
Hartford, Litchfield,
Middlesex, New Haven, New London, Holland, and
Wyndham.
And the following counties: Storm watch Franklin, Camden, Hampshire, and Worcester. Remember, damaging thunderstorm watch in closely watched areas. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements. And while severe weather may not be imminent, stay tuned to your weather radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Is a special weather statement.
Here we go.
Hartford.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued.
Go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, east central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hardwick, or 12 miles east of Amherst, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Brookfield and Hardwick on to 15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Braintree around to 25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rutland, Barry, Oakland, and Catersham around 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paxton and Hubbardston around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fitchburg, Holden, Sterling, West Boylston, and Princeton around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Hampshire, and Worcester. Now for the official national. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Pittsfield to near Massachusetts, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Chester and Middlefield around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Worthington around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chesterfield around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Huntington and Blandford around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Montgomery around 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Southampton, Russell, and West Hampton around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northampton and East Hampton around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westfield and Holyoke around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Kent, and Hampshire. Now for the official national.
Good morning.
The National Weather Service up in New York has issued a special marine warning for Central Long Island Sound until 3:45 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near mouth of the Housatonic River, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. A strong thunderstorm will be near New Haven Harbor around 3 p.m. The Thimbles around 3:10 p.m. Faulkner Island around 3:15 p.m. Madison Reef around 3:20 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
So you're gonna have them.
Oh, thunderstorm warning. Thank you. You activate finally. The spirit is back. Finally got the spirit back. It's been a while since all of them activate at the same time on Channel 4. Finally.
Until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
This one activated. Yes.
2:59 p.m.
This
Eastern
one.
Daylight Time.
It's been
A severe
so long.
thunderstorm was located over Worcester, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shrewsbury and Grafton around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Northborough around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Upton around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westborough and Hopkinton around 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milford and Southborough around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Framingham, Ashland, and Harleston around 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Franklin, Medway, and Shelburne around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Newark and Dover around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county, Worcester, Massachusetts. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Connecticut and southwest Massachusetts, including Hartford and Springfield, issued at 1:19 p.m. Wednesday, July 17th. This afternoon, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers.
Also warning for Middlesex and Worcester.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorms.
Here we go.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area, especially for the Worcester metro area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Additional rainfall of around an inch is possible. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Worcester, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Westborough, Grafton, Holden, Auburn, Northborough, Millbury, Leicester, Southborough, West Boylston, Upton, and Boylston. Repeating, a flash flood flood warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service. If you a thunderstorm watch means that the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons
Berkshire, Columbia, and Rensselaer.
change in weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm was located near Nassau, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, East Greenbush, Chatham, Nassau, Lee, Lenox, Stephentown, New Lebanon, Valady, Beckett, Castleton-on-Hudson, Kinderhook, Tincock, Berkshire, Dalton, Lanesboro, Hinsdale, Keenan, Richmond, and West Stockbridge. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 516, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Connecticut, Fairfield, Hartford, Litchfield, Middlesex, New Haven, New London, Holland, and Wyndham.
Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Berkshire! Tornado warning! Full activation! Yeah! Oh my gosh!
At 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Lebanon, or 8 miles northeast of Chatham, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail.
Oh my gosh!
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Oh no!
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pittsfield and Lenox around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Look at that!
Leave around 3:55
I got this
Eastern
one on
Daylight
you!
Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Keene, Barkerville, Washington, Tanglewood, New Lenox, Lennoxdale, the Center at Lenox, Cary Corner, the Keene, Harris, and Tanglewood Performing Arts Center. People attending Tanglewood Performing Arts Center should seek safe shelter immediately.
Oh no!
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts.
That can't be good. Oh my gosh! That was right out of the blue!
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Columbia County and east central New York, southern Rensselaer County and east central New York, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located